great day. I just wanted to do a really quick little room overview. I am having the honor of being able to stay at Blanc in Cabo this week, and what a fabulous room. So I just checked in, and this is the honeymoon oceanfront, and wanted to give you a quick peek. I'm standing here at the front door. You walk in and check out this bathroom. Beautiful soaking tub. Hello. We have a nice shower area. Separate little water closet. Then you come back out here to the front door. Nice closet area with a safe. 2 doors, so plenty of room for all of your attire. Great little wet bar area, wine, coffee maker, and then a nice little stocked fridge down here to keep you hydrated, very important, while you're in your room. Come over here to the bed area. Nice king size bed, looks super comfy, nice little sitting area. And then there's my office for the next couple of days, which I am not complaining about. And then you can see it's kind of an open area here to the bathroom, but the good thing is I see that there are curtains. So, if you come down here for a little girls trip, you can separate that off if need be. And then check this out. This is the piece de resistance. Look at this view. I mean, how could you ask for more, right? Check out that beach and its waves. There's the pool area, plenty of pools. Very excited to be able to enjoy that a little bit this afternoon. There you can kind of see the rest of the resort. Here's a little patio area. So one more little peek here at the ocean. There you have it, Blanc Cabo.